Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here for a quick video today, and like you can tell from the thumbnail, it's India's very own sneaker brand, Movok. The kind folks at Movok sent through a pair, and I did a post a long while ago. It's been a while since I got them, I think back in November, if I'm not mistaken. And I just thought I should do a quick video to take you guys through the details. If anybody's watching and wants to decide if they should get their hands on it, this review is probably going to help you. Let's go through the box. It says a new breed of sneakers, the Movok branding right there, and on the back, I must tell you one thing straight off the bat. In terms of sizing, go up a size. I wear a UK 8, but in this specific pair, I got a UK 9, and that's because the pair runs a little small. Now let's lift that lid open. But before I do, you know the usual, subscribe if you haven't yet, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get into it. A nice lift off box. You have your butter paper with all over Movok branding, and introducing you to their first ever pair, which is called the Raptor. Man, just look at this design. Does it remind you of any pair? Now the upper is made of a combination of engineered mesh, like you see right here on the toe box and on the side area. And there's also a mix of both authentic leather as well as synthetic in those multiple panels. Now, I'm a big fan of pairs which have multiple panels in them. One of them being the Yeezy 500. You also have usually your Air Max 1s and the Yeezy 700 V2. They have multiple panels, and I am a big fan personally of them because a lot of thought goes into how you're going to place these panels within each other. So that's what you have on this pair. This one's a micro suede pull tab on the back, and this heel area, just this back part right here, is neoprene, flat waxed laces. You have an all-through EVA midsole. It's got the Movok branding right there, and a rubber outsole for that great traction. Man, this outsole itself is mind-blowing. I don't know, I personally, if you were to ask me what's your most favorite visual aspect of this sneaker, I would say it's this outsole. It's something else. But I must also clarify that this isn't a paid promo, nor was I expected to put a video out. Like I said, I got this pair back in early November when it launched, and I'm only doing this video now in the last week of December because I was like, hey, I think this pair deserves a video. This tongue is held in place with those elastic bands on the side. It's got a decent amount of padding on it. You have the M done there in red. It's hyperfused along with the Movok branding, of course. I completely missed out on the hang tag. This is the Movok logo, and the Movok branding carries over to the insole and debossed on the outsole as well. Insole, it feels damn comfy. I think it's a PU footbed that they've used, but it feels squishy and comfortable. And that's about all the details that I wanted to discuss with you guys about the Movok Raptor. It's right now available on their website. I think India retail is 12,500 bucks approx, but they have a Christmas end of year discount going on, so might be worthwhile to log in and check them out. This is a nice bread colorway. What do you think? I am eager to know in the comments. Having gone through all of these details, it's only fair that I point out anything about this sneaker that I personally don't like. And for me, it's probably this pull tag in the back, this micro suede pull tab, because I don't know, I think the pair would have looked nicer if it was flush with the sneaker than being laid out back there. Okay, I'm now gonna slip them on feet to show you what they look like. I must point out though that this is a lifestyle sneaker purely, and not meant for runs or workouts, for anybody that might have that question. that's it for this video, you guys. Thanks for staying all the way to the end. Like you could see, these are very easy to slip on, primarily because of this neoprene booty right here. You don't even need to undo the laces once they're on. Just slip them in and you're good to go. I'll see you guys on the next video I make. I hope you're enjoying the fact that I'm bringing you back-to-back content. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.